Rick from Meduza in Leicester. Yes, it's been a while since we last did a video for YouTube, but we are starting again this year, back to our YouTube videos again. Right, today we have a W464 G Wagon Mercedes. It's 2019 onwards, which is the later shape. You can tell by the headlights, the grille, that it's a newer version vehicle. We've had this customer's vehicle in just over a week, and we've done carbon fibre bonnet scoop, carbon fibre front lip with DRLs, carbon fibre roof pod with LEDs, carbon fibre door handles, carbon fibre roof spoiler, carbon fibre spare wheel cover. So this customer's gone all out with all the B styling for his G Wagon. We also have G Wagon wheels available in 22 up to 24s with carbon finish. The bigger wheel arches with the carbon fibre inserts. We also have carbon fibre door mirror caps, carbon fibre side steps, all available for this vehicle. There's a range of accessories available for this G Wagon. If you've got any questions, please contact us. The link will be at the end of our video. Thanks.